How to make your Roblox avatar stand out without premium. So to make your Roblox avatar stand out without premium, you can get free items from official Roblox events and promo codes. Also check the avatar shop and sort the price filter from low to high to find free hair, shorts and accessories. You can also use classic 2D clothing, which often looks sharper than low quality free 3D items. Now for the layering and proportions, combine different free jackets, shirts and pants to create a unique outfit style. Change your body block sizes in the body settings to make your character taller, smaller or wider than normal. Hide blocky limbs with free dynamic heads or slim package styles if you own any from past events. Now talking about colors and face, pick bright or neon skin colors that pop out in crowded games. Choose a unique free animated face or a classic simple face to show personality, and match your accessory colors so your outfit looks clean and planned out. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.